Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And with a really bad throat. We had our team event last weekend and I've clearly talked too much. So apologies for the fact that it's awful and croaky, but this arrived yesterday at the point in time you're seeing it, and I really just wanted to get it shared because it's you guys. This is for you guys here on YouTube. So I've covered up my address, but in here so this is a completely different kind of unboxing. So in here is my silver play button. So lots of people said, I don't know what it means that you've hit 100,000 subscribers, Sam. This is what it means. It means that I've got this plaque. I can't speak. I've got this plaque. And I really wanted to get it shared with you immediately. Look, it's a complete mirror finish. You can see my paper punches over on the side, but that's me on there. And I get to display this in my office. And yeah, it's because of you guys all subscribing that I've got this. So yeah, that's my name on there. And I'm so thrilled to have it. Look, there you go, you can see all my paper punches, and I really wanted to get it shared really quickly, so I'm very glad I've got this to share with you for today, because otherwise I don't know what video was going to come out because I can't speak. But a huge, enormous, big thank you from the bottom of my heart to just be so grateful for everybody who has subscribed and clicked that like button, and that's specifically the subscribe button over the years, because I've got this now and it's going to go on a special shelf in my office somewhere. My son has said, you know, hang it up outside your office door, hang it up in the hall. But I can't, I want to pop it in my office. So anyway, a huge croaky, very big, deep voiced thank you to everybody who subscribed, because this arrived, and this arrived early. I wasn't expecting it until next week. Thank you, FedEx, for rocking up early. But thank you to all of you too. Anyway, I'll see you. I have got a video Saturday that I filmed on Monday before my voice went, thankfully. And hopefully I'll get something out for Monday for you where you can hear me a little clearer. But yeah, just huge, massive thank you.